Hello friends, in this video I will show you amazing iPhone vocal shortcut setting. With this setting you can lock your iPhone without touching your phone. Okay, let's see friends, I show you. First friends, you open setting, then go to accessibility. Now scroll down and open vocal shortcut. Click here setup vocal shortcut. Click to continue. Now you will see many options like lock screen, screenshot, volume up and volume down. Select any option you want. I select here lock screen and write here lock screen. Click here. After that set your voice command, lock screen, lock screen, lock screen. Click to continue. Click here. So friends, vocal shortcut setup ready. Lock screen, lock screen. So this setting useful for everyone. If you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.